Hello and welcome to Quilt Addicts Anonymous. I'm Stephanie Soebbing. We have some fabulous new Tourist Tote kits for you guys today. This is my all-time favorite bag pattern and it's the one that I use the most. It's gigantic. You can fit everything in it. I throw my laptop, snacks, wallet, you name it, it goes in here. I can even fit an entire sweater when I'm knitting and it's just sitting in the bag. It's fabulous. And we have some really fun new kit combos for you. It's a great one if you are new to bag making or if you just are looking for a quick project. The very first time I made this bag kit, it was my very first bag to make and I was done start to finish within 4 hours and was able to use the bag the next day. Obviously, the more you make them, the more efficient you get at doing it. Once you have everything fused, it takes about an hour to get together. So it's a great weekend project for you to tackle. We're going to take a peek at them now because they're all super adorable. First up, we're going to look at our Halloween one. This one was super fun. We did a combination of some Halloween fabric that we have here at Quilt Addicts Anonymous. We were able to use an Alexander Henry print for the main print. And it's super fun and there are some great fussy cutting possibilities here because the prints are very large. So as long as you kind of organize it a little bit, this one we were able to put our skeleton men and Halloween front or Happy Halloween front and center. And on the back side, we were able to center some pumpkins. And it is great. We've got this black lining for the bottom and the handles. And then we have some skeleton keys for the inside. Now, I will tell you that when I go trick-or-treating with my kids, my Tourist Tote comes with. What happens is the kids have their tiny little buckets. And then as those get filled up, they get dumped in the Tourist Tote. And last year, I filled the Tourist Tote with candy. It was ridiculous. We did not need to eat that much candy, but this is a great one to bring with you trick-or-treating or even just to bring around with you during the Halloween season because I know some of you guys love it more than Christmas. So Alexander Henry, prints for the top, wonderful Halloween tote. This one is probably my favorite tote, but it's because I absolutely love owls. This one is so fun. It has these patchwork owls. So it's kind of like cheater print where when you purchase it, it looks like it's already like quilted and pieced together, but it's just the way it's put together. So there's all these squares in it. It looks really fun like that. But we have some owls that are peeking out. You get about 2 owls per section and they kind of flip all different ways. And so this backside doesn't have owls, but the front does, so that's really fun. And then for the bottom and the handles, we did this tree trunk print and it looks really pretty with it. Obviously the colors coordinate really well, but it really stands out nicely against this and everything just kind of goes up with the tree trunks. I think that's really fun. And then we use a nice bright orange lining so that way it's really easy to find things when you have lost your keys inside of it like I did earlier today. This print, by the way, was from a Free Spirit fabric collection, and I think it's absolutely adorable. Last but not least, we have a cork and quilting fabric combo. This is my favorite material to use as the bag bottom because it's super durable. You're gonna see some wear and tear on the corners and eventually after a really long time on the upper part here. I've been using my bag for 4 or 5 years now and I'm just starting to see the wear and tear on the top. It's about time for me to make a new one. But I love this little Scotty dog print on here. It's so cute and adorable, and we use that for the handles and the body, and I think it coordinates perfectly with this gray cork. And blue and gray definitely both work as neutral, so this is gonna work with a lot of outfits. And then the lining is super cute as well. We have lots of cute little doggies in there, and they've got balloons, and it's nice and bright, so that way you're gonna be able to find things in there. Now, if you want to learn how to make the Tourist Tote, we do have a full tutorial on how to do that over at academy.quiltaddictsanonymous.com. You can sign up for the course over there to learn how to do it, or you can just grab your pattern straight from So Many Creations. It's SoManyCreationsNY.com. So make sure you check that out and support Jessica Vandenberg, the creative genius behind all the bag tutorials that we do. We love her, and it's a great way to support another small business owner. Grab the kit from us, grab the pattern from her. She does have digital download options over there if you want to be able to just print it out at home, or you can get a paper pattern. All right, thanks so much for checking this out. Make sure you go check out that course over at academy.quiltaddictsanonymous.com, and you can learn how to do that and a whole bunch else. There's more than 100 tutorials for you to learn about everything from bag making to learning how to quilt to other home decor projects, and you can have a lot of fun with it. Until next time, happy quilting.